Shown here is a newly rebuilt alternator. Unlike older style Porsche alternators, this one is pretty much plug and play. The regulator is internal and the alternator should come with the proper pulley installed on the front. The green arrow in the insert photo shows the metal bushings that may give you trouble when you try to remove the alternator. This bushing is the one that needs to be tapped on in order to loosen the assembly for removal. Before you begin any work on your alternator, completely disconnect your battery. Do not attempt to replace your alternator with your battery connected. With the top of the engine compartment open, loosen and disconnect the cable that attaches to the alternator. This will allow you to pull the unit out and away from the engine compartment. You access the alternator assembly through the engine compartment access panel behind the seats. Simply loosen both mounting bolts. Turn the idler arm bolt back 3 to 4 turns. Use a metal drift or punch. Tap on the bolt to push out the rear metal bushing. This may require some significant tapping. If the bushing is stuck, you may end up damaging the idler pulley bolt. Don't fret though, a new one's only a couple of bucks. With the alternator disconnected from its bracket, pull the unit out of the engine bay and disconnect the 2 electrical connections on the rear, blue and red arrow. The red arrow points to a cable that goes directly to the battery. This is why you should not attempt to work on the alternator with the battery connected. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.